Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about the packages. What is package? Package is nothing but it's a collection of different types of classes and interfaces. There are two types of packages that are available. One is predefined package. Second one is user-defined package. Predefined package is the packages which are already available in Java. The exemplar java.lang. It is providing language fundamentals. That is the predefined package. Java.io. It provides input-output related operations. Java.util. It provides support for utilities. Those are some examples I am providing for predefined packages. Now, the user-defined package. What is the user-defined package is nothing but you have to create your own packages. For that, what are the steps we have to follow? That is, first statement is inside Java program must be a package. That's the first step. Second step is it's a good practice to implement only for single class. Third step is class and methods should be declared with public keyword in packages. We can compile package program using the syntax. This is the syntax. Javac space -d space dot space file name dot java. Here -d represent directory structure. Dot is representing current working directory. Okay. We can compile package programming using the following syntax. With this syntax, we have to compile. Next step is we can't run packages because it's a library. It's a library. We can't run the package. Okay. Now, with these points, I'm creating the user-defined package. That is, what is the first step? Inside Java program must be a package. See here in this example program, package inside the program. First, we had to declare package. Vardhaman folder I am creating. Under my name folder I am creating. Okay, package is nothing but the folder we have to create. Class name is, this is the class name, Python by Sheshatri. So what the third step I am mentioning? The class and method should be declared with public. So in package, class and method should be declared with public. This is the class. We have to declare with public. Okay. Now, in this class inside, I am implementing info method. Classes and methods should be declared with the public keyword. Okay. Now, in this method, I am implementing, I have to print the message course name, duration 3 months, hours 55 hours. I'll print these messages by using system.out.println. Okay. Now see that I'll copy this one. I'll paste it here. I'll save this one. Go to the file. Save option is there. Here in my desktop, in Java folder, I'll save this file. I'll save this file with the name, class name. That is Java by Sheshatri. Same name we have to give it. Go to file, save in desktop. Under the Java folder, I am save the file Python by Sheshatri. You have to give the extension is .java. Save this one. Now, just we have to look at this one. In my desktop, in Java folder you have to open. Is there any name with Vardhaman folder is created? Vardhaman folder it is created in this Java folder? No, no. Then see that. We can compile package programming using the syntax, this one. Java C space -d space dot file name dot Java. As per the syntax I am written. Right? Now I had to compile this one. Click on enter. Now have a look once. In my desktop Java folder, under the Java folder in earlier Vardhaman folder is not created. Now it is created. Now it is created. Under Vardhaman folder, I am creating my folder. I am creating. See here. See here. Click on this. Under my folder, we'll see that dot class file is created. Python by Sheshadri dot class file is created. Fine. Those are the steps we have to follow. The next, the same example, one more example I am taking. This is Java by one more package I am creating. That is package in Vardhaman folder under Sheshadri. I am creating the file is Java by Sheshadri. The course is Java. Duration is 3 months. 60 hours is required. 60 hours is required. Okay. Now I save this one. I had to save this one with the name. Go to file. I'll save this in desktop Java folder. I am save this one is Java by Sheshadri dot Java. We had to save this. Before we had to check this. In the desktop Java folder in Vardhaman Sheshadri, only Python by Sheshadri dot class file is there. Python by Sheshadri dot class file is there. Now I had to compile package programming by using the syntax Java C space -d space dot space file name is Java by Sheshadri dot Java. Now I compile this. It is compiled. Now we'll see in desktop Java folder in Vardhaman folder under my name folder. You'll see that in earlier only one dot class file is there. Python by Sheshadri dot class file is there. Now it is created one more dot class file, that is Java by Sheshadri. Okay? Those are the steps we had to follow to create user-defined packages and how to compile package programming. That is with this syntax we had to compile package programming. Okay. Now here in this session, that is if you want to know in detail, you have to use this command at the command prompt. That is tree/f. See here, the tree structure it is showing. See, in the Java folder, Vardhaman folder is created. Under Sheshadri folder is created. Under dot class files are there. Java by Sheshadri. Python by Sheshadri. Folders are created. Dot class files are created. This is the tree structure is represented. Okay. Now, in this session, we are going to discuss one more, the import keyword we are discussing. First, without import keyword, how the predefined package we have to use. Without import keyword, how we have to use the predefined package? Here, the predefined package without the import keyword. See that in this one, class name is test. I'm not import the keyword. I'm not using import keyword. I have to use the predefined package. Array list object I'm creating. That is how I have to create array list object is class name is test, public static void main, predefined package java.util dot the class name is array list. The object name al1 is equal to new class name. That is, we have to write java.util.arraylist. Similarly, we can create the object al2, al3, al4, al5. We can create the objects for ArrayList class. Okay. Now I have to compile this one. That is javasync test.java. Now it is compiled. Now, if I run this program, I'm not implementing. That's why we are not getting any result. Okay. Fine. Similarly, we can use import keyword to import the classes present in package. If I write like this, the program, everyone to create the object java.util.arraylist, it is a complicated one. That's why to avoid this, we have to use the import keyword. Where we have to use the import keyword? Before the class name, we have to use the import keyword. That is here, I am using the import keyword before the class name. See that? If I am using import java.util.arraylist, then no need to write it here. No need to write it here. Just the class name, ArrayList, object name is al1 is equal to new class name is ArrayList. Class name is ArrayList. Like that, we can create the objects. N number of objects we have to create. I am creating one more object, al2. I am creating one more object, al3. And if you want that, I am creating one more object, that is al4. I am creating for this array list class the 4 objects I am creating by using the import keyword. Now see that I compile. There is no errors. I am not implementing, that's why you are not getting anyone. Similarly, java.util predefined package, there are many classes are there. Many predefined packages, many predefined classes are there. Linked list is there. Scanner class is there, right? Now, I'm using linked list object and the scanner object in this. See that? For that, we have to use import java.util.linklist. Import java.util.scanner. Now we have to create linked list object we have to create. How we have to create the linked list object? That is linked list object name is L is equal to new class name is this linked list. Okay. Similarly, we have to create the object for scanner class. How we have to create the object for scanner class? That is class name is scanner, object name is yes is equal to new scanner within parenthesis system.in we have to use it. Now I save this one. I had to compile. There is no compilation errors. If I run this program, we can't get result. Why? Because I am not implementing. Okay. So like that, we have to use using import keyword. Now our own style is there. So there are many predefined classes that there. So instead of writing like that, I'm using like that. that is import java.util.star. Then all classes which are present in predefined class java.util. On that predefined class, all the classes which are available. Whatever you are using, only for that one it is providing. See that. Both of them same for performance wise also. We can't get any errors at the compile time. That is the input keyword we are using. Okay. That is. Now, we can use import keyword to import the classes present in the package. Next, we can use static import to import all the members present in the class. All the members present in the class. Now have a look once for this one. For this one, I am given the example program, this one. First, without a static keyword, I am using. Where we have to use the static keyword is nothing but math.py. Import static java.lang.math.py. That is py value is printing. Like that, we can use the methods. You have to use the static. Now see that it is printing the py value and the e value is printing. Right? It is printing. That is we can use static import to import all the members present in the class. Okay. Now one important note is there. Static import is introduced in the Java 1.7 version onwards. By default, the following two packages are available to each and every Java program, that is java.lang and current working directory. These two packages are available to each and every Java program by default. Okay. Now I am creating user-defined package. What is the user-defined package I am creating? In earlier, this is the user-defined package I am creating. Okay. In the Java folder. Vardhaman, under Vardhaman Sheshadri, under these two class files I am created. These two class files I am created. Now have a look once this program. This program have a look once. That is, I am importing my user-defined package Vardhaman.Sheshadri.class name, Python by Sheshadri. Next, I am import user-defined package Vardhaman.Sheshadri. The class name is Java by Sheshadri. This is the main class name, test, public static void main. Now I am creating the object for this class. How we can create the object for this class? Class name is Java by Sheshadri. Object name is JP is equal to new class name is Java by Sheshadri. So here in this, the method is there. In Java by Sheshadri class, the info method is there. How we have to access that info method? Object name dot method name. That is JP dot method name is info. Similarly, I am creating one more object for this class. How we have to create the object for Python by Sheshadri class? That is, we can create the object is class name is Python by Sheshadri. Object name is PP is equal to new class name is Python by Sheshadri. Now I can access the method in this one. So which method is there? Which method is there? Here the method is the info method is there. So I can access the method name is object name dot the method name is the info. Okay. Now I save this program, the user defined package I am using in this program. I have to compare. Now I run this program, we are getting output. See here. See here, we are getting an output. Okay. That's about the packages. Here in packages, there are access specified are there. Just wait. Access modifieds. So there are two types of modifiers in Java: access modifiers and non-access modifiers. So the access modifiers in Java specifies accessibility or scope of a field or method or constructor or class. We can change access level of field, constructors, methods, and class by applying access modifiers on it. There are four types of Java access modifiers are there: private, default, protected, public. Here, private, the access level of private modifier is only within class. It cannot be accessed from outside of the class. If we are declared before the class private, that is, it cannot be accessed from outside of the class. If we declare the access modifier default, the access level of default modifier is only within package. Within package. It cannot be accessed from outside of the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be default. It will be default. Okay. Next, the another access specifier is protected. The access level of protect modifier is within package and outside of the package through child classes only. Protected class. That is, through child class we can use the protected. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside of the package. Okay, public. That is, access level of public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within class, outside class, within package, and outside of the package. So those are four types of Java access modifiers are there: private, default, protected, public. There are many non-access modifiers are there, such as static, abstract, synchronized. Those are many types of non-access modifiers are there. Here in this, we are learn only access modifiers only. That's why I am focusing the access modifiers only. This is summary I am providing. Access modifier, public, private, within class it is providing, within package it is not providing. See here, this I am providing. So it is providing within class only. It can't provide within class only. Within package it cannot be provided private. Outside of package by subclass it cannot be provided. Outside of the package it is not providing. Default, if you are providing access modifier is default, it is provided within class, within package. Outside the package it cannot be provided. Outside package by subclass only it is not provided. Outside of the packages it cannot be provided. Protect, if you are using, it is provided within class, within package. Outside package by subclass only it is providing. Outside the packages it is not providing. If you are public, it is providing anywhere. This is the summary I am providing. In the table format, I am providing the access modifiers, the summary I am providing, right? So the public we can access from anywhere. That is, we can access within class, within package, outside package by subclass only, outside of the package, the last one. If we are using private, we can access only in class. Private, we can access only in class. We cannot access within package. Outside package by subclass, we cannot be accessed. Outside package, it cannot be accessed. That is the first one. If we are specifying protected, we can access from a class and the child classes. Class and the child classes. See here, protected. We can access within class, we can access within package, and we can access outside package by subclasses. We cannot access outside of the package. That is protected. Default. We can access only in the current working directory only. That is within class, within package. We can't access outside package by subclass only, outside of the packages. That the summary I am providing for access specifiers. Java is supporting four types of access specifiers, access modifiers: public, private, protected, and the default. Right? That's about the packages concept. Okay, thank you.